Deep in this overgrown garden, a legend was sleeping. Rust was eating it alive. Nature had nearly claimed it. $400 cash. The deal was done.
It didn't want to leave. The wheels fought us every inch.
Welcome to the hospital. Today, the resurrection begins.
First step, blasting away 40 years of thick grime.
The interior was a disaster. Rats and rot everywhere. Nothing comes apart easy. Fire is our only friend here.
Heart transplant. Pulling the seized engine out.
Body goes up, frame stays down. A full restoration.
Sandblasting strips the cancer, leaving only clean steel.
Cutting out the rot and welding in fresh metal.
Sealing the frame so it never rusts again. Inside the engine, everything was frozen solid.
Boiling the block to strip out the internal sludge.
Machining the cylinders to absolute perfection.
New pistons, new rings. The muscles of the car. Installing the crank. Every bolt torqued to spec.
Fresh engine enamel. Looking like new again.
Reuniting the heart with the frame.
New suspension so she glides, not bounces. Machining the brakes for safety and stopping power.
Hours of polishing to make these wire wheels gleam.
Fresh rubber. Classic white walls are the only choice.
Hammering out every dent by hand. Smoothing the curves to perfection with filler.
Sand, block, repeat, getting it perfectly flat.
Laying down the primer to seal the work.
Wet sanding until it feels like glass. Mercedes Midnight Black. Deep, liquid darkness. The moment of truth. Laying down the black base.
Rebuilding the seats. It smells like luxury.
Restoring the real wood dash to a warm glow.
The gauges are the jewelry of the dashboard. New wiring. No more electrical nightmares.
Stretching the headliner tight. No wrinkles allowed. Plush wool carpet completes the cabin. Restoring the real wood dash to a warm glow.
The gauges are the jewelry of the dashboard.
New wiring. No more electrical nightmares. Stretching the headliner tight. No wrinkles allowed.
Plush wool carpet completes the cabin.
Fresh chrome. It shines brighter than the sun.
Installing the eyes of the car.
The iconic Grille. Now it looks like a Mercedes.
Fitting the new safety glass windshield.
It's all in the details. Mirrors and trim.
The command center is ready.
Adding the lifeblood. Oil and coolant.
Power up. The system is live.
Moment of truth. Will she start?
She's alive. The beast wakes up.
Tuning the engine to run like a Swiss watch.
The final touch. The star returns.
First time in the sun. Absolutely breathtaking.
From scrap to showroom. A priceless classic.
The old owner couldn't believe his eyes.
She drives like a dream, smooth and powerful.
We saved a piece of history for the future.
The legend returns. Thanks for watching.